Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Semua hal yang manis dan cantik berwarna kuning.
Oh, tentu. Kuning adalah warna...
Seven is by the help desk. That's all of them. It's your turn.
Good job, Helly.
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! Actually, this is my good side here.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo!
Aku akan tidur di bangsal, karena tidak pantas bagiku tidur bermandi.
What? No, it's not. Hey! Your blinkers on.
Good comeback, Cal.
Movie. I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PP.
Entonces, ¿estos tractores de dónde vienen?
Spy or not, you're still the smartest, most honest chap we've ever met.
Don't forget massively charming.
Mater!
Just remember, your brakes ain't gonna work on these.
That's my town. Get back here, you
Oh, Mater, are you all right? Oh, shoot, that was nuts. I used to be a daredevil.
I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
I really didn't have a choice. Vader didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
What's your name, son?
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McMee!
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
My life when I started Miss Fritter's Racing School! And I can...
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragon!
My name's K-I-S-S-I-N-T.
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will beat his... Hey! She'll come.
Yeah, no, baby.
Son chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba de poner...
He's obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Ciao bella.
Miles Axelrod in an attempt to become the first car to circumnavigate the globe without GPS.
You know, there's one thing I still don't get. The bad guys hit me with the beam from the camera, right? So...
You cannot defeat me! Cannot!
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
What's he saying? What's...